In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign a document on PandaDoc. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open or upload your document. So I'm just going to open this one, which I just uploaded. And then whenever you open your document, it's going to look something like this. It's going to load into your document like that. And then you're going to have to press the edit button here in the top right, which is going to appear after it loads, okay? So as you can see here, currently the document has loaded in, and then you will see an edit button up top right. And if you do that, you can, of course, enter the editing mode. Now, when you are inside the edit mode, as you can see, I've put on a signature already. Let me actually delete this so I can show you how to do it. So you want to go to the right over here, and where it's going to say add fillable fields, you want to go and basically put on a signature. So it's up to you where the signature goes. I'm just going to put it up here just to make it like clear. And then what you want to do is click on that, and over here you have three options. You could either draw your signature, you could type it, or you could upload it like an image, okay? So you can, like, for example, take a picture of your signature, you can upload it to your computer, and then in here, and that's going to be your signature. You can type it like this, click on accept and sign, or you could draw it. So if I go, for example, and just like try to type something in here, there we go. So let's say I want to draw it, you can change the color, and then you can click on accept and sign, and there we go. You've basically signed a document. Now, after you've done that, you can click on finalize document, top right, and the document is going to start finalizing, and you'll see that over here you now will have a signature on your document. So again, this is going to start loading and confirming and everything, and whenever that's done, you'll see at the top, there we go, there is my signature. Okay, now it says completed. You can now download it, you can do whatever you want with it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.